Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part two of the that vintage window that I had showed you last episode. That I cleaned it up. It was in pretty bad shape with dirt and grime. It does have a little crack right here, which I'm going to attempt to repair. I'm not expecting the crack to just disappear, but uh, at least it'll make it a little better for using the window as a prop, so it doesn't break further or fall apart. And so this is going to be it. We're going to see if we're going to attempt to fix this thing. All right, this is going to be the back side of the repair. The BB or whatever it was came in from the opposite side, so it has a little divot in there. And this is what I'm going to attempt to repair with some Gorilla epoxy glue, masking tape that I'm going to put on this side, and a putty knife to push into the hole or into the crack. So on this side, I'm going to put the masking tape just so nothing oozes out. And that should do it. And we'll flip it over. Let's see here. All right, so we'll mix up some epoxy. That should do it. Just using a matchstick to mix this thing up. That should do it. We just want to squeeze it into the crack. And we'll use a razor blade later once it's hardened to get this out. Trying to press this into that crack. And scrape some of this excess off. And this will have to dry 24 hours, so we'll come back tomorrow. And any excess will be scraped off with a razor blade. Oh, I should have mentioned I've already cleaned this window off with some window cleaner, Windex, and it was pretty clean on this side. All right. Okay, I let it set up for about 10 minutes. And now we're going to do a little cleanup, get some of this excess off, scrape some of that off. this razor blade. And now I'll take some acetone on this rag, and clean up some of this. This is just to get the excess off. And I will get the rest off tomorrow. We'll have to let this really harden well overnight. And then it should be good to go, or at least it's as good as it's going to get. All right, I think that'll do it. Tomorrow, once it's cured, we'll clean up the rest, get that haze off, polish it up with some Windex, and then we'll be good as it gets. All right, see you tomorrow. Okay, it's the next morning. Everything hardened. The little BB hole, this little piece that was broken out, is all flat. It's a little bit rough, but anyway, crack seems to be pretty stable now. At least I'm not worried about it breaking. Obviously, you can still see that there's a crack there, but I'm not really worried about that. I've already scraped away all the excess epoxy. Just need to do some final cleaning. It still has some haze on it. At least I know now it's not going to break. I wanted to keep this vintage glass. It's that wavy look to it. I'm not exactly sure how old the glass is, or the window frame. I'm guessing early 1900s, maybe even older. I don't know. Maybe if anybody knows how old that glass that looks kind of wavy, if you look at it in the light, if you guys know how old that might be, let me know in the comments. I like to know how old things are when I'm using them as props. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.